All right, chip of the day. It's an AHT21B. They keep making these over and over again, it seems. It's just a humidity and temperature module, but I don't know how many I've seen. I remember the old ones were these big, I think they were always blue plastic, and they kind of had a honeycomb or a waffle pattern to them, like the air could get inside. But they were pretty big. So these things are just read out humidity and temperature. They're I²C, right? You can do 2.2 to 2.2, that's really low, 2.2 to 5.5 volts DC, and it's I²C. I guess, I've never heard of people doing I²C at 2.2 volts, but I'm not sure what the I²C protocol is. People can comment. So it's a module. It's not a quote chip. It's actually a whole module. So the chip is kind of this thing, but when you call out that part number, this is the thing you get. So I'm not sure why they don't sell the little thing all by itself. Maybe they do. Maybe this is why it's the B or one of those letters in there. I don't know. Comment if you know if you can buy just. I'm sure you can buy just the little thing, because you're going to put it inside a cell phone or some other thing. You probably don't want this whole big board, but anyway, that's the way it comes, and that's the one I got. It's just a PC board with a little silver doohickey on it. It's like a little metal can with a hole in it, so the air can get in and out, because you're measuring humidity, right? And so there you go. It uses MEMS technology, so it's going to have some, I did a video once on MEMS. It's going to have some suspended parts that mechanically vibrate, and so because they vibrate differently with temperature, because they get bigger or they get smaller, and then humidity, I'm sure there's some type of material in there that also increases weight, which would change an oscillation, or increases size, which would change an oscillation. But anyway, it's an oscillating mechanical thing that changes with temperature and humidity. And let's see what we got going on here. Here's temperature errors. Usually it's plus or minus half a degree Celsius. And at the extremes, minus 40 and minus 80, it can tick up here to plus and minus 1. Here's the humidity errors. So typically it's plus or minus 3%, and it can tick up farther at the extremes. All right. So, yeah, low power. When you're measuring, it's 32 milliwatts, but when it's just not doing much, it's sitting around here very low. Let's see. What else does this data sheet have? Oh, this is kind of an interesting graph. Relative humidity accuracy and differential temperature. So the different zones, it's going to have different accuracies. Let's see here, there's the standard version, and there's a dust-proof, waterproof, pollution-proof, interesting, version. And then, yeah, you just hook it up I²C, easy enough, and yada, yada, yada. I don't think there's anything else we have to worry about. There's programming, so, you know, if you were going to use one of these on your own, you would have to figure out how you read the bits out of it, and then the bits go into this formula, and the formula then tells you what the relative humidity is, or the temperature. You need to multiply and subtract and divide, and 2 to the 20th. So it outputs some type of number. But if you're in Arduino land, you just download the library that somebody has already done. And that's what I did. I downloaded the SparkFun library and made a little application. So people always like to see applications with chip of the day. So I'm going to be using a AT3224 microprocessor. That's him right there. They're about 92 cents, something like that. Really cheap little parts. Ignore the little LED over here. This is just, I had this board laying around for a different project. I'm not going to be using the LEDs, but I am going to be using the little I²C OLED display. So this little guy is going to pop onto the board right about here. Okay, like I said, power ground, I²C. And so, yeah, let's find 5 volts. think this is 5 volts. Putting them on. Yep. All right, let's zoom down here. And so it's reading out a temperature of about 21 degrees C and the humidity about 51%. Okay, so if I put my warm finger on the thing, we can watch the temperature go up, 22, and the relative humidity because I'm sweaty. Not really, but I mean there is moisture on a body all the time. So yeah, there you go. Yeah, cute little package. Would be a nightmare to handle on your own, so that's probably why they sell it on a board. It's a tiny little part. Okay, that was Chip of the Day, an AHT21B.